Well, today's packing up video is going to be done from inside the tent. Or rather, I'm not going to be doing a video pack up. I'm doing all the packing up inside the hammock. I went outside just now and I was instantly swarmed by bugs. Yeah, it's amazing the difference it makes just having like a little fire with a bit of smoke, and it clears the bugs away for a good 45 minutes. Just a little fire. But as I didn't bring a lighter to do a fire, I don't think I did. So yeah, I'm going to do most of the packing up from inside the hammock, which is a bit of a challenge because I'm constantly swinging. But yeah, another glorious fucking global warming day. The thing is, I'm not that worried about it being so bright and hot and sunny because it's August. Oh, lazy day. Every day's a lazy day. So yeah, the my setup, classic FM, and then never-ending Jewish classical music. If it's not Jewish music, it's made by them or performed by them or from one of their movies. And yeah, basically with no Jewish connection, they won't play it. But at least it's not ripping out my baby. So yeah, fuck I'm old.